Hey guys, so some of you posted questions about the Finding Zeros homework. I'm not going to go over all of them, but I will go over a few, and then that should be able to address any additional issues, questions that you might have, okay? So I'm looking at the assignment, and I'm going to go over, let's see, let's do 14, because I think 14 is a good one to go over. So we have p of x equal to x to the fifth, hold on one second, x to the fifth minus 6x to the fourth plus 9x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x. And then I gave you two zeros. I gave you -1 and +2. Now, if you notice, I have at least one x in each term. That's a GCF. And I could take that out. So by doing that, watch what happens. I'm going to take out my x. So then I have x to the fourth now, minus 6x cubed, plus 9x squared, plus 4x, minus 12. Right? So now I have a fourth degree here instead of a fifth degree. So now we're just going to work with this polynomial because I took that x out. And I'm going to do, good morning, I'm going to do synthetic division on this polynomial here. And I'm going to use one of my zeros. I'll use 2 first. But again, you know the order doesn't matter if you use -1 or 2. So I'm going to use 2. I'm going to do my synthetic division. So I have 1, -6, 9. 4 and -12. So I get 1, 2, -4, -8, 1, 2, 6, and 12. And yes, I do in fact get 0, which is what I want. And then I'm going to use my other 0 over here, -1. Do my synthetic. And again, I get 0. So I took out an x over here, right? That brought my polynomial down to a fourth degree. Then I did synthetic here. This brought it down here to a cubic, right here. And then lastly, it brought it down here to a quadratic. So I'm left with x squared minus 5x plus 6, right? So remember, this was a fourth degree here, right? Then I brought it down here to a third degree. And then I brought it down here to a second degree, which is a quadratic. So now this I can factor into x minus 3 and x minus 2, right? When I multiply those, I get x squared minus 5x plus 6. And now I can list all my factors. I should have 5 factors because it's a fifth degree, right? Fifth degree. So my factors are the x minus 3 and x minus 2 that I just got. I also have my x that I took out. So we're going to put that in the front here. So that's 3 factors so far. And then the -1 and 2 that I gave you. So that's going to give me x plus 1 as a factor and x minus 2. So you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 factors, which I'm supposed to have because it's a fifth degree. And my zeros then are x equals 0 from here. This is x equals 3. This is x equals 2. And x equals -1. I don't have to write the x equals 2 twice. It's understood that it's a 0. It's just a double 0 because it appears twice. Okay? You could have also written your factors like this. X times x minus 3 times x minus 2 squared times x plus 1. Okay? So the bottom line is, in the beginning here, when you're starting, check to see if there's a GCF that you can take out first, because then it's going to lower the degree. You can do your synthetic down to a quadratic and factor. Okay? I hope that's helpful. If you would like me to do another one, just send me a message. Okay, guys, bye.